Ang pag-aasawa ay isang munting biyaya na ibinigay at pinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoong Diyos Ama. Ito ay biyaya ng kaligayahan.
Nagkakilala kami sa work. Pero different department kami. Sa network siya, tapos ako sa application.
Inaya ko siya mag-outing doon. Tapos nung pauwi na, parang nanlibre kasi ako doon. So nanlibre ko sila sa may Starbucks. And then, doon ako nag-make a move. Parang mga nagpo-post na siya ng story, nagko-comments ako, mga ganyan. Hanggang sa inaya ko na siya mag-first date.
Oh, I can tell the future. I know what the truth is. You're the one I want. I wanna give you all my life, my love. Yeah. I'm never giving up. Nothing could change my mind.
Hi, love. Nagsimula lahat sa tuksuhan sa office. Ngayon, naaminin ko na ikaw talaga unang nagkagusto. Hindi ako umaamin nun kasi baka araw-araw tayong tuksuhin at baka araw-araw din akong kiligin.
And I never felt so confident. No way I will regret this. You're the one I want. I wanna give you all my love, my love. Yeah, I'm never giving up. Nothing could change
You are the most annoying person I know. Yet you amaze me in every possible way. You're sweet, kind-hearted, thoughtful, and calm me even in my loudest storms inside me. Your love felt like God knew exactly what my heart is needed. And His answer was you.
Hanggang sa nagkayayaan ng mag-outing with friends at doon na tumatak ang dalawang letter na hindi ko makakalimutan. LU. Hindi siya love you kundi La Union. April 15, 2023, yung first date natin at doon pa lang alam ko nang ikaw na yung babaeng gusto kong makasama sa habang buhay. Ilang oras lang tayong magkasama noon pero sobrang special ng mga oras na yun.
ang iyong mukha. Yayakapin ka ng mahigpit hanggang sa
You are the greatest blessing God has given.
o sinta sadyang
And every moment with you is something I cherish deeply.
buhay ay biglang nagbago.
Walang isang month nung simula ko siyang nag-first date kami, nagkayaan kami.
Yung aftermath, sinagot ko na siya.
Sobrang excited ko po. Hindi ko mapaliwanag.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Magiging good father ka and a good husband. And I'm so proud of you.
Lumipas man ang mga taon, pagsubok ay kayang tahakin. Aasahan mong mananatili pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Masilayan ang iyong ganda, parang
As we step into the next chapter of our lives, I can't help but feel excited. I can't wait to build our own family. And I hope our children will inherit the values you've shared.
buhay ay biglang nagbago nang ika'y matagpuan ko. Ikaw ang pinapangarap at nagkatotoo. Aking mithi
what will happen in the next few years, but I promise I will love you, choose you, and take care of you every day. I am yours, you are mine, and I promise to love you truly and unconditionally, and will stand by your side no matter what.
I know without a doubt that our future kids will be so proud of you. Because I already see the kind of father you'll be, loving and full of heart. So today, my love, I vow to grow with you, to love you more each day, and to choose you every single day, the bad days, beautiful days, for the rest of our lives. I love you.
I